Guys, we are back. We are back. We are really back, guys. I had small network issues, but I've as you can even see, I'm using like a different platform now. So we're back up. We're back up for real. Anyway, let's wait for some more people to join. And then we take it from there. Our trade is looking good again. Not entirely good, but it's looking. I feel like this thing is just stalling for New York. You know, I feel like it's stalling for New York, so it might not do. We're back live and we're back at entry. Yeah, yeah. We just need that push. We just need that push. But it's 10:26 a.m. now in Ghana. I have a feeling this thing is just waiting. I have a feeling this thing wants to really just um wants to buy at New York open or something. This is very stressful. Guys, welcome back to our live. If you're here and you're not subscribed to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel now so that we'll grow? Also, if you're not in the community, I've put a link, I've pinned a link in the comment section. Just click on it. It will take you to the Telegram community. Wow, this thing is really fighting with us here. We're up, we are back down. Anyway, guys, let's continue with our questions. Chef, I asked the question that is it possible to scale within? It means scalp within a swing trade. Can I do them at once, and where can I spot scalp trades within a swing? Bruh, I think you just is it possible? Yes, but from the way you're asking the question alone, self, I feel like you're confusing yourself. You're really confusing yourself. Number one. Number two, I hope you're going to be using different accounts for these different activities. You don't want to be scalping and swinging on one same account. So yes, the whole idea of swing trading is doing it number one, holding a trade for a long period of time, and usually to spot such opportunities, you have to do it from the higher time frame. So let's say even 1 hour says that you're buying from here to this point, and then you go on the lower time frame, like 5 minutes or even 1 minute or 5 minutes, and you are seeing some structure in there, you can scalp it. So that's how you can get your scalp opportunities within the mainstream move. Let it not be random. Let it still be something that's still backed by a strategy. Okay. So my advice for you is don't really do it, but if you want to do it, use separate accounts and use this logic. Let the let the higher time frame give you the swing perspective, and then let the lower time frame give you that scalp opportunities in direction of that swing perspective. Right. The 5 minutes from time frame is from the chat pattern. Yeah, it is more of like a push up. The 5 minutes even give like an inverse head and shoulder here already for even these quick buys. Then we have this push up retest. This level is a very key one. It has been retesting it for some time now. At the same time, forming some form of like a wedge pattern that's ready to or waiting to just break out of this trade. So far so good. It's still late. I just need this thing to just get over with. That's the whole thing. But so far, strategy wise, we're still on point. Boss, I saw Starlink. Let me help you sort your network issues. Okay. So Starlink, send me a DM or message on Telegram. The packages, like, convince me. Let it make sense to my ears because I hear Starlink doesn't really work in all areas in the country. So I don't know. I don't know about it much. So just tell me something in my Telegram DMs. Wow, this thing was looking good 1 minute, and we are back here again. Anyway, that's the game for you. Waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. um $100 to $1,000 challenge. I see questions about that. If you want us to do it, drop some chef emojis in the comment section right now. Those of you who are for the motion of the $100 to $1,000 challenge, drop the chef a cookie emoji in the comment section right now. Drop it, drop it, drop it. I see you guys are ready, active. Okay. I'll take it into massive consideration, guys. Patience, guys. Patience. You understand? Consistency. It will keep you in this game longer than anything else. I hope you guys can help me hear me when I speak, though. Boss Ricky, when are you coming to Kumasi? I don't know. I don't know yet. Hello, boss. There have been another account impersonating you on TikTok asking for investment with an account different from your official account. Guys, if you come across that account, mass report it, report or send me the link so that I can share with you guys so that you can report that account. Okay. Report the account. I will not ask you for money. I will not ask you for investment. None of that. Please, guys. Please, where will you add Cobalt to the life? King, come on. Let me see if it's active. We need to arrange a live section with King. Come on. Yeah. We need to arrange a live session with King. Come on. We need to arrange a live session with King. Come on. Do giveaways there. You to do giveaway for me. Makati Haley. You to do giveaway for me. Now I'm also somebody's son. Do giveaway for me. Why? Are you friends with Common? Yes, of course. Common is my guy. Who is the restricted trader? Show your face. Carl L. L Spirit Physics. Or but I just sent you a DM about the starting. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. No worries. Guys, what do we talk about next? Guys, ask questions. So me, I'm here for you guys today. You know, let's do some real things whilst we are waiting for our trade to play out. We are waiting. Oh, we are waiting. This trade must give us. We must be paid today. We must be paid. must be paid. It must be paid. I pressed subscribe to the bot yesterday on Telegram before 1 hour cast, so I will go pay $3 to join us. I've not even changed the price yet. I'll do that after the live. We're gonna go off. So if you're here and you're still looking to take advantage of the promo, do it before the live ends. Because once the live is gone, I'll go change it. Can you talk about the psychology behind trading just one pair? Okay, so one thing I'll tell you that deciding to trade just one pair should come from a place of strategy rather than should come from a place of strategy rather than just mere feelings or feeling like I want to trade one pair. You know, it should come from a place of strategy. Now, what do I mean by that? The first thing you want to consider before you decide to trade one pair is how frequent you get your trades. If you are a swing trader who gets their trade once in like maybe every 2 weeks or something, you realize that unless you have good capital or very big capital and some big amount of patience to be able to capitalize on the move, you realize that trading just one pair will not probably be ideal for you. If you are somebody who's looking for like active income in the market, there are types of incomes, right? Sometimes we get carried away with this whole talks of passive income, but it's a process. You need to get one before the other. You cannot be at a stage in your life where you need active income and then you start thinking things like passive income. Let me take my time, let me wait for a setup. You wait for a setup for weeks and then you're going to take the trade and you're going to take it to your $100 account and you have to now like uh, I don't know if you get what I'm talking about. So if you are a trader who is at a stage where you need active income, I'll recommend day trading. Day trading is what kickstarts all of those things because you need that active cash flow. Quick one in and out. You gather that, you do other businesses as well. Everything makes sense. Then you get to a level where now you are busy. Then you can switch to much more calm approach, and you have a bigger capital too. Very very important. So you're able to stomach huge stop losses and also huge profit margins. So so to the gentleman who asked about the psychology behind trading one pair, that's also what I mean. Have have a good system that allows you to repeatedly find entries. Even if it's not every day, at least in a week you have like some three different setups. It's good. It's gonna help your psychology. Right. Low key, most of us here are waiting for the market to buy sharp into profit. We are all waiting, or even me, I'm waiting. Just a push from here to even 40, 50. From here to 40, 50 alone, is good. That's like 150, 140, 150 pips. That's good pips. So I'm waiting, pal. How do you look so relaxed while on a drawdown? It's because I've calculated my risk. I know how much I'm going to lose if I hit stop loss. So, like, I'm calm. If I go about this risk, I will not be as calm as I look today. Like, I will be very, like, what's going on here? Yeah, that's how the market works. And mind you, it's not as if when I lose the money, it will not pay me. It will still pay me, but like it's calculated. Yeah. What if closed below your line? Do we cut or increase SO? No, don't increase SO. Never increase SO. Never increase SO. And don't also cut. Just let it hit a stop loss. If there's a reason to cut, I'll let you guys know. I've explained it over and over in my live sessions. I don't always cut my losses like that, but I only do it when. Let me even explain that once. Let's say before this setup played out, I was seeing a possibility for like a sell as well. So sell buy scenario, but the buy has set up, and I still want to take the trade. If I take a trade and the trade has reversed and it starts to look like a sell, I'll cut it before my stop loss, because at that point I already knew that there's a possibility of what a sell. But not in this case. I'm almost very convinced that even if this market eventually sells, it's not a setup that I will take, because I'm not seeing sales here. I'm seeing buys. So in a day like this, I'll just let the market do its thing. It's either stop loss or we go into profit. You understand? Guys, 15 minutes more for our candle, 1 hour candle to close. Look at what's happening. It's not looking good, but it is what it is. We're about to wait again another 1 hour before another 1 hour. This thing might go to like 12 o'clock or 12:30. Bro, I tear lot 0.09 on a 150 pound euro, yeah, euro account. If that means my main account left 45. Yeah, and if I set up win, how much will you make? Should I not dream? Is the 1 hour an uptrend? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Is it an uptrend? I don't think it is an uptrend just yet. Like we are in the early days of that uptrend, because prior to that we have like a downtrend. Then we had this year smashing all the way down, and then this level here. So this level is a key level. If it goes below it, then we might just have to like restructure. But if it holds again, then there's trouble for. So it's in a dicey position. It's not really like a convinced like 100% like uptrend like. If you get what I mean. Guys, today let's not chill. I really don't like this. This thing looks like we might be in some big trouble soon. Let me just check this thing properly again. For these last few minutes, it's changing the narrative. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, okay. Shoot up, shoot up. The bearish rejections are pretty strong. Let's see. How many pips again? 50, 60. Good. Okay. We sat through this trade for another 1 hour, only to get a doji on the 1 hour. Still a tag of war between the buyers, the bulls, and the bears. We need an overall win anyway. Let's keep fingers crossed and keep watching. Formation of a really falling wedge in 15 minutes. Yeah, it's still valid. The falling wedge is still valid. Just that, like, bro, it's been 2 hours now. We need some profits. Brother, no, it's okay. It's okay. I'm even tired. Like, I want to go and rest. That's why I'm not talking much. I've been up since like 3 a.m. So something of this sort, this nature, something like this. So it has more possibility of actually coming down some more before flying on. So that's for that one there. And aside that, we have this level 2 here to look out for. As far as I'm concerned, there's even another level here, either here or here, one of them, to, to kind of even look like a head, an ears, head and shoulder. And also there's this even this level here for like maybe like a triple bottom. So also, mind you, all of this also depend on how the candles approach the zone. You see how it's approaching it? It's trying to sell, then the bulls come in again, trying to sell, bulls come in again. That is what is indicating this. But if like it just, let's say it just drops straight into the zone with like some massive bearish candles, it's not going to hold. It's going to break the level and just continue. Yeah, that's how price action works. 5 minutes to close, and this thing is really a bearish candle. Wow. it down. Dollar plus. 5 minutes more for the 1 hour candle to close. Uncle Rick, how will I calculate maximum loss size I can use per trade when trading XAU USD? How is leverage and capital related with the calculation of the maximum loss? This one is a full beginner lesson. Oh. DM me, let me give you access to my beginner course. Okay, let me just give you access to the beginner course. All of this is I explained there. This question asking requires like a lot of explaining. So if you don't need all this explanation, this market is never 100%. Oh no, I'm actually not like explaining from a place of like explaining. I'm telling you the thought process that I go through to make decisions for the market. That's the purpose of this life. To usually take you through the things that I see, what I look out for, to decide to whether hold a trade, to close it, to manage it this way. That's what I'm doing. The next candle might just open and push straight up. Seen it before. Very possible. Everyone in Somali there is 100%. Have you heard about Kojo's issue, Ricky? That is a fake news anyway, so don't pay any attention to that BS flying around. We need a bullish doji. We need a bullish candle to be precise. Not even a bullish doji alone. We need massive profits. But I get what you mean. Only three outcomes: TPS or break even. We already calculated the risk, so we did inside answer there. Yeah, it is what it is. Still gonna hold this position. That's why SL is set. Yes. So if it's considered $100, I'll consider it. Don't worry. There's a famous trader who makes millions of dollars per day. And his brother is suffering. Yesterday, I bought for him lunch. He said his brother posting 200K profits. I don't know what I'm talking about. Though. I don't know what I'm talking about, Mr. John. Let's see. Guys, subscribe to the channel. If you're not in the channel, subscribe to it. Also, if you are not in the Telegram community, click on the pinned link to join now. Hit the pedal once, let the flow shake. Sweat inside. My angel bro, when it's the big boy, you know what I pay for it. And I got a pedal to the metal. Get him hit his dog, but it's nothing. Wow. This is crazy. Seconds to time, and this is happening. No, this is game over. We wait. I think I do. I do a big screaming dance nice and pull it up. Alright. So we have two massive bearish candles. This is tough. Now the last begin. So we're currently in drawdown of about how much? 73 pips, so 70 pips, give or take. One hour candle closed. It's closing in 2 seconds. 1-0. Okay. We're still here. Still holding. Actually, the crowd on them clouds can get close to you. Real rap. You already know what it is, man. If you don't, you should by now. I remember those days when your SO used to be 50 pips. Yeah, those days are me myself. I remember those days. Oh. It's so easy out here. Mm-mm. Are we still in? Yes, actively still holding the trade in drawdown. Put it on. Still holding. I like the way the new candle is even behaving. You know, why am I saying that? From experience of what I know, if this thing was going to, it should have been like some violent Excel, just wipe it out. But the way it's still stalling, it's giving vibes of redemption. The redemption days are near. Redemption Valley. So there. Seven. Like a hula hoop. Beautiful. Day. Thank you, baby. Guys, what this simply means is that we're going to stay in this shape for longer again. That's all it means, and that's the stress I'm talking about. Like, I don't mind staying in it, but just sitting here watching the trade. That's really annoying. I'm not gonna lie. This trade is going all the way to New York. It's gonna the next 1 hour is still going to stall. New York is gonna open before we see some volume. Yeah, that's how it feels. Wait for the realest niggas in there. Right now, she will. Margin call for those who enter full margin. That's one there. It's true. By now, margin don't call already. All this kind of we're trading, guys. Somebody says, Rick, if you have small win rates, what if you go opposite if setup shows buy, you sell, vice versa? Some things you people think about. Sometimes it's so fascinating. So if I get your question correct or right, you're asking me that if you've noticed as a person that you have a, a very small win rate, or let's say even a bad win rate, anytime you see a bad opportunity, why don't you just sell? Anytime you see a sell, why don't you just try it for us? Let's see that. Do you have a small win rate? If you do, try it for us. Let's see. Let's see. But the funny thing is, I think you should just try it for us too, so that we know. Yeah. Yeah. In this, you really do beard, you look Muslim. Really, I get that a lot. I get that I look like a Muslim a lot, but I didn't know it was because of my beard. Alaji Ricky. Is the essence only for profitable traders? Since when did a hoodie be a benchmark for profitability? This is not only for profitable traders. How is the weather over there? It's quite gloomy, just chilly, chill vibes. Because only profitable traders have it. No, it's not really that. It's just a merch that they share anytime they come around. But obviously they try to give it to people who they don't have like numbers when they wear it. People will see it out there, like you're seeing now. Okay, so that's it. But they share it at events and all of this things as well. So it's not really a big deal. This is so motivating. I remember I used to not have the nerve to watch my trades. I would just enter and delete MT5. I will check later either stop loss or what. Delete MT5 is like that's serious. If you say you even close the app, I understand. But I get it. We have people who are like that as well. And if that works for you, by all means stick to it. If you're the type who cannot look at the market without changing your decisions on the market, by all means stick to just setting and forgetting. Okay. Me, I've done this thing over and over and again. Also, I provide signals, so I need to watch it and give you guys constant updates. So yeah, if not watching the trade as it plays works for you, by all means do that. Is it late to enter Baba? It's not late. If for anything, if for anything, usually you have a better entry. It's two things. It's either you're bold enough to enter at this point with a better entry and even a smaller stop loss because we're still very much active with our buys. If you're bold enough to enter at a better price. But the only downside is that if it doesn't end up buying, it just means that you took a loss. But that would be like half the stop loss. So yeah, if I had extra risk on the table, even I think I will even enter from below. How can I get broker to sponsor you, Rick? What do you mean by broker to sponsor you? Sponsor you in what capacity? Or what's going on? I don't understand your question. Do you do this every morning? Not every morning, as and when, but let's see whether it becomes an every morning thing. But yesterday I was here with you guys. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't even see what's good on here. This is looking crazy right now. I don't know. The bets are really coming in hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is tough. pull out the light. Guys, this is not looking good. Oh. It's not looking good at all. I'm not gonna lie, but eh, we need a last. It's like we need a hail mary right now. We need a hail mary. I'm not gonna lie. We need a hail mary. But to those of you who are wondering if I'm still holding anyway. Still holding through the drawdown. I think I do big. We need a hail mary right now before this thing will reverse. We need a big hail mary. We are heading towards the lowest point. This is make or break. We are heading towards the last point, which is like this one here. This is make or break. Right after this point, decision time. Oh, this one, there's no decision time at this point. Oh, this one is already past like 100 pips drawdown already. So it's already past like. Okay, or when you say decision time in terms of are we going to are we going to like make money or is going to just crash it out? Yeah, that I understand. So decision time. Let's wait. I still believe in the setup, low key. Yeah. What I actually don't want to even happen right now is like a hand, like it spikes all the way down, takes it out, and then goes back up. That would be very painful because at that point we would have taken a loss on the trade and still be right. So if this is going to buy for real, I would want it to actually hold from that level and just like go back up, please. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed are you among Jesus, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mother of God, pray for us. Wow, you went to a Catholic school, I'm sure. Yeah, from the move that sound. I don't have sound on my stream text right now. Just 20 minutes into the new 1 hour candle and is burning us to hell. Stupid, that's nothing. Okay, it's being respected nicely. So far, so good. The resistance here really held. So the support better hold and go back up. The support better hold back. And I don't tell what on the $50 account, but I'm working account, like, you need to go and get the money for them. I'm sure you're just messing up. I'm just because you know very well why they're not allowing me. Can you just respect this level and go up already? Let us know our fate. If you're gonna hit stop loss two, you should just do that already so that we know our fate. At this point, holding this trade is just beginning to stress. Uh, oh, yellow metal, precious metal. Used to. Not good. Not good at all. This is where you this is where you have to fan that it to go back up. If it doesn't go back up, it's game over. Oh, guys. Well, I saw just record. Oh no, this is it's gone. It is gone. It's gone. Literally like this is now looking like a massive sell incoming. But it is what it is. Stick to the plan. Take your take your loss like a real trader and and let it move. Still have few things, but at this point it's as good as done. It's as good as done. But we are all still but I'm just saying that at this point it's as good as done in the sense that look at this, like, bro. No, is there. The song versus the situation. I better change this song image because this is this is mental. This is nuts. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Is it? Are we about to witness a Hail Mary? I don't know. I don't know about that. Are we about to witness a Hail Mary? I don't know about that. But if we do, this will be the biggest Hail Mary in history. This will be the biggest Hail Mary in history if we actually do witness a Hail Mary right now. Oh guys, the hope is back alive. This is nuts, literally. The things trading will do to you. Uh, the things trading will do to you. So this is what I was talking about earlier too, though. If this thing goes back up, then it means that this was like the hunt I was referring to, and our stop loss was just like saved by mile. So this one made a massive drop. Let me change it there. Let's let's make some fire because it looks like cool song wants to. Oh come on guys. What is the point? If you're gonna hit our stop loss, you should have just done that with some dignity. Sure, sure. Up to the floor. Hey, hey. Working all night to get a payday. Listen to my life's cartel. Guys, last 10 minutes, come back to possible bullish momentum building. Argentina, yeah. We did it last night and we're gonna do it again. But it's not looking good. We did that Argentina last minute Messi masterclass because it was supposed to hit our stop loss just now. If we didn't hit our stop loss, then do something, do something. Yeah. Two chains. Guys, let's drop some cooking emojis. Let's drop some fire or cooking emojis. Let this thing go back up now. Let's do some last minute messy masterclass with some fire or cooking emoji. Let's do this. Yeah, like I need that now. I need it now. I need it now. Now let's push. Let me call the investors to come in with a volume, guys. We need volume. We need volume. We need some volume now. Wow, this is crazy. Like half of the loss has been erased already. Trading, the things trading will do to you. Anyway, we are here. We're here to feast, or we're here for some money. So let's make some money. This is unreal. This feels like Argentina versus England right now. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah. I'm a living here. I'm a living there. Sicilian bitch with long hair. With coconut every year. And smoking the thinnest air. I open on Lamborghini. Hoping no crack a ceiling. Like look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast. He's a dog. Anyway, guys, let's back to serious business. I like the momentum. I'm not gonna lie. I like the momentum. If you believe, drop the cooking emoji now. If you believe, drop the cooking emoji. If you believe we're gonna win this trade, drop the cooking emoji now. Now we're cooking. This is a narrow escape, like unreal, unreal. Guys, I'm not feeling the energy. I'm not feeling the energy. Drop it now. I like what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. Let's go back up, please. Let's go back up, please. We have 20 minutes more for this 1 hour candle to even close. When this candle actually goes all the way back up and we get like some full bullish candle into New York session, it's game over. But anyway, we still wait. We still keep our composure regardless. Keep our composure regardless because 1 minute we're down, the next minute you're up. You could be down again. So let that reality check also be in there. That's how you approach the market. Always stay in control of your mind. No, I know a lot of people also close their trades when we're in drawdown, right or wrong. Some people close their trades when we're in drawdown, right or wrong. No, I've been on this thing with you guys enough for you guys to know how this thing works. Like accepting your risk, you know, all of those things. It's not random. Trading will test you. Trading will test your patience. And we have people who actually also sold from here. Now, anybody who sold from here as well is also now in like deep waters. Stick to your bias always. Put your stop loss. Take your stop loss like a man. Like a real trader. Move on. Move on. Your spread took it out. Well, my trade is still running, so I don't know about you. And so what? Find the next. Oh, okay, makes sense. Maybe next. Guys, you're almost there. Why are you coming down? Just keep going. Keep going, please. So what do I do now? We wait. We wait. Pretty much we wait. But this is good indication that the bulls are very much still active in the zone. So it's still good. Our trade is still alive. Guys, if you're here and not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe now. I turn the wrist into a lean. This is 6 time getting kicked. I can feel my face, I'm on outright nauseous. Niggas tryna ride my fucking way, then it's salty. Running with the wave, get you killed quick. Shoot you in your bag like you're red cricket. The Mexico and all like to after like my whole life. Low life, low life, low life. And I'm rapping. Excellent spread is good because my trade on excellence is running, but prop is good. Exactly, that's why we use excellence. My trade on excellence is also still running. So guys, if you don't have an excellence account, you know what to do. If you don't have an excellence account, use the link I just posted now to create one. Because our trades on excellence is still running. The spread is good. When we say good spread, tight spread, it's not just talks. It's reality. So you're almost there, guys. If this 15 minutes candle even closes bullish, that's a good sign. It's already a good sign. This one is Ankara Messi. Oh. This is a Messi masterclass. Wow, it's unreal. I'm not gonna lie. When price pushed down, I almost lost. I was almost there. Then saved by the bell. Saved by the bell. King, 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 king. That's white, 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 white. That's a white. I think I like her. Guys, we're back up. We're back up. W's in the fucking charts. This is a proper Hail Mary. Like this makes sense. My mind all bust at the here. Like, my mind all bust at the here. Wow. This is unreal, guys. This is unreal. This is, you don't get this anywhere. You don't see this anywhere. You don't see this anywhere. Anywhere. Now we're back to entry. Wow. Now let's wait for the job to be done now. We're back to entry now. Now we need to make some profits. So next round of fire. Next round of fire emojis. Next round of fire emojis. Now let's make some profits. Oh, for sure. It's still the Drake day. AK. Guys, you're almost there. Just drop the fire emojis now and let's cook. Just drop the fire emojis now and let's cook. Drop the fire emojis now and let's cook, guys. If you win, we have 15 minutes more for this 1 hour candle to close. It's gonna be history today. Today is gonna be history. History. I'm so hyped right now. I'm so hyped, as you can tell. We went through a lot, guys. We went through a lot. Drop that fire emoji now. Drop the fire emoji now. Still. And I still love it. Says ERE. In the next 15 minutes, it's gonna be 12 p.m. We're gonna express some massive volatility. And if the bulls are on our side, we're gonna make so much money together. If the bulls are on our side, we're gonna make so much money together. Even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. Hey. Let's go. Drop some fire emojis now. Drop some fire emojis. Fire. Let's go. Still, guys, we in like mad. We in like mad. You don't know. You don't know the shit I've been through. You don't know the shit we've been through, guys. 40 pips right now. 40 pips right now. Let's see. Give or take 50 pips. Guys, we need that massive bullish candle to just close. Then, pop. There we go. Still. Is it DRE? Is it DRE? Deep blues this side. Alright, guys. We in, boys. We in, boys. Guys, we in like mad. We in like mad. Oh, this is what you want? Emotional trader. Go and deposit your emotionless trading in your bank account. Ankara Messi, Ankara Messi, Ankara Messi. Whoa, yo, all of our profits down again. Just like 10 minutes to closure. What's this? Oh, come on. Trading can just be hell sometimes. Trading can really be hell sometimes. Just like 10 minutes to closure. Do we have any news? Yes, somebody mentioned that we have a news. Just that it's not a high impact one. So let me just see. Let me bring this back and let's see. Let me see. We have today is what? This doesn't make sense. Oh, today is Thursday. Do we have any? We have USD news by around 12:30. So what's going on here? Anyway, um, whatever's happening, it's all good. We still in the trade anyway. We already went down to the pits of hell and we're back. So we are here. Today, they don't want to make easy money. Today, God doesn't want us to make easy money. So, because make it make sense. Just a few minutes to closure, and then we're having this massive drawdown. A few minutes to closure, we have this massive drawdown. That's crazy. Oh. It's Iran news. Headlines. Okay. Let's check it out quickly. Headlines. What's happening? 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 Let's check Bloomberg. Let's see what's happening there. We're still back though. So that one there, we're still up. We're still up anyway. What's happening? What's the headline?
Have this inflation that is,
Oh, let me
legitimately
just check.
after the softer print. I think everyone agrees inflation hasn't really been going where the Fed would like it to go. And what do you do here?
This is 54 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. Guys, we there here. But now this now changes the dynamics of what's going on. Okay. This we are still bullish, which is good, but this wick that has been left here is not is not it's not a good look. But it has not changed my bias. Me, I'm still in the trade for like that buy. So we're waiting for this candle to close, and then we see. We're still bullish though. No two ways about that. I think that I should just change this Coldplay song. Coldplay just brings balance all the time. Imagine Dragons and Coldplay. Let's do some gratitude. If you're around them, say with them close straight again. Straight up almost okay. Straight up almost, yeah. And be like, you know, guys, Plaza, forget everybody. Forget everybody. We there inside. Forget everybody. No personal. The thing was take our money back. We say five minutes more, 1 hour bullish. 1 hour bullish. Someone has to play Drake. No, we didn't go Asake. Listen, no, it's not personal. Don't be me out. 5 minutes more, guys. 5 minutes more, and we fist. If this candle closes bullish like this, I don't know, but we will make some good money, some good money. You know. Someone says the 4 hour is looking good too. Let's see what 4 hour is doing. Yeah, looking good. But that one has 2 hours more to close, so we don't have any business in that. Our business is with the 1 hour. And then the fact that New York is gonna open soon, and then we possibly could just fist. Three minutes more. Right now, no. We want the candle to be, you see, I would say a more like, it's not. We want a candle to be a full bullish candle, not this one, you know, not this one, not this thing. today there is a news. Go check it. We saw it. We saw some USD news around 12:30, but it is not a high impact news, so we believe it's not going to have much impact on the market, even though it can still have some impact. Usually, I'll look out for the high impact news, the news with the red folders. Okay, that's basically what I'm about. Um, um, Aside that, what else? We good. Guys, we sat in this trade for, we got our confirmation from here. Oh. We sat in this trade for 1, 2, 3 hours. 3 hours before getting 50 pips. As a matter of fact, we went straight to drawdown of about 140 pips before coming back up here. Today has been a test of patience, test of everything. But I've demonstrated it with you guys. I keep saying it all the time. But Trump will also be speaking around 5 p.m. By that time, we should be done with our job. This thing, if this thing starts to move, within the next 1 hour, probably we'll just hit our 2 p.m. Be done with our job. So if Trump comes to speak, guys, the bulls are slowing down. Yes, we have a bullish candle. Yes, that's fine, but it was supposed to be like a massive bullish candle. You know, if you know that them ones, you know them candles. Anyway, we are here. Confirmation is now in for more buys. We just need to just remain calm and see. If this candle takes us all the way back down again, yeah, me, I'm done. At that point, I'll be done because I'm not about to hold this. Oh, guys, I'm a bit tired. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired, Papa.
This is the blues I'm playing. Yes, it's a final thing. When the night is cold and low. This is the midnight.
Looking good again. What did I tell you guys about the 1 hour candle? Anybody remembers what I told you guys about the 1 hour candle? Yeah, that's how it's done. How many pips now? In 80 pips. That's clean, 80 pips. But we need more. We suffered enough, and we need more. We need to be rewarded for our patience. Okay? We've suffered enough, and we need to be rewarded for our patience. We've suffered, though. I'm not gonna lie, though. We've suffered, but this thing,
It's moving. Everybody wow.
Mm. Anytime the market is moving and I get up, it starts to do this thing. There was something from the market. So, yes.
Get someone. Get some. Some the back, my dogs at the back, but you don't move, it gets loud. Me a la, keep an eye on me, I say the wa. Oya mi oya, yeah, see me, yeah. As I don't play, man, see me, yeah. I'm breaking the door, we don't pass on my face. Call you behind, come as I don't give you grace. Fight a man, he is you, I show my face. I'm a trapper man, he is so for my face. You can't trap a man, I take care of my youth, and it's time to break the play. Mama pokey nose, my tomo my Pokemon nosy nose. What's the use of a gun? I say man, you want that phone, get someone. On one another victim, I'm not allowed to.
Today's trade is not it's a very stressful trade. Very like very makes sense. Very stressful. Charlie, like why does my time is reset? Like if you're gonna go, for just go. What's all this? You went all the way down, we came back up, only for it to go back down again. Like make it make sense. What you say? You something like that? Yeah, we have news at 12:30, but dreams, we present kill and meaning. R.I.P. Snoop Doggy Doggy, my bro for life, my bro, that's my broski. It's a very nonsense twist. Guys, almost everything has reversed again. Like all of the profits back to, but I'm still very bullish on this trade though. It's still gonna go back up. But the stress is just uh it's nuts, too nuts. Guys, if this thing goes all the way down to take us with stop loss again, it's I don't know what to say. But the baby yapa because like we are in the York session, we are in the York session, so the volume I was expecting, right, to just come in should have been in by now. That's the little profit we were enjoying, but it's all back to losses again. Still very much within the range, far from stop loss. But as I just said, I'm just tired. That's all. Really tired. Our stops still in place. It's the same bricks. It's the same trade. So SL or TP. It is what it is. very hungry. Guys, we cooked. And, let's address something, right? So those of us who maintain our position, it's try the same thing that's happened to us. So we went up, we came down again. We went down, we came up, we are back down again. You see, people bought here when the thing was now going in our favor. People bought from that level. Can you imagine how much? Oh, guys, this is wow, 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 guys. It is what it is, right? It was a good day, regardless, but we're here. Took a full loss on the street now. Finally, after raising our hopes and everything, we still lost money on the street. Yeah, so it is what it is. So it is what it is right now. So today's stream is going to end here. I was hoping that we hit TP1 at least, but now it's a sell, like it's a massive sell for the day. It's obvious now, but we are not going to jump. I am not going to jump into this sell because I would have loved to enter at the point, which is not yet. So stop loss hits for today. Thank you guys for joining. We went through all the process, all the emotions, everything. We still kept our risk intact. Very tired now. I'm gonna take a break, go get something to eat, refresh, just chill for the rest of the day. I'll be back again tomorrow to look for another opportunity. Overall, week wise, we're still up, but today we're down. We lost money today. This is where we draw the curtains for our stream. I'll see you guys again, same time tomorrow. Peace out. Pour me water, guy. All my millions. Pour me water, guy. All my millions, guys. All my millions. How much do you see here? All my millions, guys. All my millions. If this thing buys again, it's gonna be hell. But we are out. We are out with our loss and our head up high.